Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of black eyed peas curry. The ingredients are 1 cup black eyed peas soaked overnight and washed, half grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 onion sliced, 1 onion chopped, few curry leaves, few cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half inch ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic chopped, 1 1/2 green chili slit, tamarind, water, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, jaggery. Heat oil in a vessel. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, half inch of ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic chopped, 1 onion chopped. Stir. Add half teaspoon of hing. Stir. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 onion sliced and saute it. Add half coconut grated. Stir. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, few cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 1/2 green chili slit. Stir. Saute it on medium flame. Once it is ready, keep aside and let it cool. Boil 1 cup of black-eyed peas soaked overnight and washed. Transfer the cooled ingredients from the pan to a mixer jar. Add tamarind, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, water, grind into a fine paste. Add the boiled black-eyed peas to the vessel. Pour the ground masala. Mix. Add water in the mixer jar as there is some masala remaining in it and pour into the vessel. Mix. Add salt. Mix. Add jaggery. Mix. Let it cook. Add curry leaves. Mix. Black eyed peas curry is now ready. Switch off the flame. You can garnish it with coriander leaves. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.